Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you are all doing well and welcome back to my channel Home Canvas. In this video, I'll show you how you can make flowers using egg tray. So first we need to cut it out. Here I'm using scissors, but it's better to cut with cutter or a knife. Here I'm also using knife just to show you guys. For making a flower, first we need to trim off all the extra edges. Now you need to make 5 cuts with the help of scissors. Now for making the shape of petal, we need to cut it in a circular way. And this will comes out like this. Here I show you with this way you need to cut 4 pieces. I'm using red acrylic color and you can use any other color of your choice. One tip for painting on a cardboard, use always very less water, otherwise it will become really soft. Makes it difficult for you to handle. Once the paint is dry, now you need to fix it like this. Also guys, if you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your little support will mean a lot to me. And I'll try to make more zero cost content for you. Here my flower is also getting ready, and if you have any question about this, you can write me in a comment section. Also thanks for showing love to my last zero cost video, and if you haven't seen it till now, then please go and check it on my channel. I make this flower using 4 pieces of egg tray, and if you want to make little bigger flowers, then you can use more parts of the egg tray. Again, I'm using red color to give it more clean look. So now I'm making a sunflower. First step is to cut off all the extra edges. Now for the petals, you need to cut very thin pieces of the cardboard. Now for giving the shape of petal, you need to cut it out like this. You should always try to make different things out of waste materials because creativity never needs anything expensive. After cutting all the petals, now take a pencil and do it like this. Again, I'm using yellow acrylic color for all the petals. Now for making the center of flower, take another piece of cardboard and cut it like this. I'm using black acrylic paint on it. You need to cut the same way like I'm doing. Once it's done, just rotate it and put it in the center of flower with the help of glue. And that's how our sunflower is ready. So I make a rose and a sunflower using egg tray. Please let me know in a comment section how do you like my video, and also tell me which thing I should make next. So that's all for today. I'll come back again soon with another video. Till then, take care, bye bye.